Most car audio enthusiasts know the frustration of a soundstage that feels like it is trapped in the floor mats. You buy high quality speakers and expensive amplifiers. Yet, the music still lacks that lifelike presence you get from a high end home theater. This happens because a car interior is an acoustic nightmare. It is full of glass, hard plastic, and tight spaces that bounce sound everywhere. To fix this, you need a dedicated digital signal processor. Think of it as the master conductor for your entire system. This specific unit is a total game changer for budget-conscious builds. It provides 4 channels of professional-grade control without the massive price tag. One of the most impressive aspects is how it ditches clunky physical dials. You do not even need to lug a laptop into your passenger seat. Instead, you manage every single setting through a wireless connection on your smartphone. This uses the latest low-energy wireless standard to ensure a stable link. You can sit in the driver's seat and tune by ear in real time. Having 15 bands of graphic equalization at your fingertips is powerful. It allows you to surgically remove harsh frequencies. You can also boost the warmth in your mid-bass with ease. If you need more, the parametric equalizer gives you even deeper control. You can adjust the specific width and center of those frequency peaks. This level of precision helps you overcome the natural acoustic flaws of your car's cabin. Then there is the incredible power of time alignment. In a car, you are never sitting perfectly between the speakers. The sound from the left speaker hits your ears before the right. This ruins the stereo image. This processor lets you delay the signal to the nearest speakers by tiny fractions of a second. This effectively centers the music right on your dashboard. It makes the singers sound like they are standing right in front of you. For those who want to keep their factory dashboard looking original, the high-level inputs are a lifesaver. The unit features an automatic turn-on function. It senses the signal from your stock radio, so you do not have to hunt for a remote trigger wire. It also includes professional crossover filters. You can choose between different designs that offer very steep slopes. This keeps your delicate tweeters safe from dangerous low frequencies. Many expert installers suggest setting your amplifiers to a full range signal. You should let this processor handle all the filtering duties. This prevents the muddy sound that occurs when you stack multiple crossovers together. While it is incredibly powerful, it does require a clean electrical setup. If your grounding is poor, you might hear some unwanted engine noise. However, if you provide it with a solid power foundation, the signal stays remarkably clean. The signal-to-noise ratio is high enough to satisfy anyone moving beyond a basic entry-level setup. You can even save different presets for various musical styles. You can even manage multiple units at once if you have a massive setup. This is useful if you want to swap between a daily tune and a competition setting at a show. It brings professional-level acoustic engineering to anyone. You get to be the engineer of your own acoustic space. You do not need a degree in sound design to get great results. It makes building a custom system feel modern and rewarding. You will finally hear that perfectly centered vocal you have been chasing.